Well, hey, what are you doing standing out here? It's 125 degrees out here. You want to come in? Yeah, this is 25182 Mahalo Circle. It's a great house. You want to take a look? Come on, I'll give you a tour. Come on. I ain't got all day. Come on. So welcome into 25182 Mahalo Circle. This house has a Madison address, but it is in Limestone County. You go just about 5 miles out 72 across from across county line, and it's right out there. Really quick, I've got my notes, and I've got my new glasses here. This is the first video with the new glasses. So this house has 3,532 square feet. It has 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths. It has a 2-car attached garage as well as a 1-car detached, which is a great workshop place to put your lawnmowers, that sort of thing. A beautiful pool in the backyard with a lot of decking. The master is downstairs, secluded on one end. You've got 2 more bedrooms and another full bath on the first floor, and then you go upstairs and there are 2 more bedrooms along with a humongous media room, playroom, whatever you wanted to do with it. So a wonderful house. It's got the fireplace behind me, a gourmet kitchen. Now, one thing to note on this house is this house could use a little paint. And I say that because, like a lot of houses, this one has been lived in and the owners here have made it their own. That's why there is an allowance. We have priced this house well below market to give you room to come in and do some paint and some flooring and what have you. The house has amazing bones. It's a great space. You just might want to come in, do a little painting, and make it your own. All right, are you ready for a tour? Let's get started. I'm standing in the kitchen now, and you're going to see the reflection on my glasses because there are big windows here where you can see all the way out into the backyard and the pool and the decking. And this is really cool because I'm set up here in a little breakfast nook, and then this is the kitchen. Now, this is a great kitchen to cook in. You've got lots of counter space, lots of cabinetry, and again, this is a home where a family could come in, make it their own. You know, you've got the kids playing in the pool. Heck, mom's out there too. Dad's in here cooking. All right, let's put dad in the kitchen. But it is a great gourmet kitchen, as you can see, with lots of space, well laid out. We've got the arches going through there. And I want to turn this to show you the space as it opens up into the great room. And you'll see this on the video as I come through. But you can see it does have the arch cut away here and then the open floor plan from the kitchen into the great room. So you've seen the inside, now let's talk about the outside, because this is my favorite part of this house, even if it is hot out here because of that. You see that behind me? That is actually a large above ground pool, but it has been completely decked, as you'll see in the video. The decking goes all the way around. There's a gazebo built up, and then there's decking that goes along the back of the lot and a large sun deck there. So imagine, if you will, if this was your house today, when it's 105 outside, you could be lounging in that pool. This is just one of the great amenities that makes this house such a great buy. I wonder if they'd mind if I took a dip. That's a video you are not going to see. This is one of the unique features that makes this home such a great buy and such a great family home. This is actually a storm shelter. You can see it is installed in the garage floor. And it's going to be a little dark down there because I didn't turn the lights on, but you can see the lid rolls back. There are steps going down, and then there's seating, there's lighting. You could put a radio down there, battery radio, a battery TV, and your family will be super safe regardless of the storm. So what did you think? Did you enjoy the tour? Let's review. This is 25182 Mahalo Circle. Now this house has a Madison address, but it is located in Limestone County. If you travel out 72, you'll go about 5 miles west of County Line Road, then you'll take a left on Moore's Mill, and the house is just a couple of miles that way. Beautiful neighborhood, very upscale, very well manicured, very much a family neighborhood. Again, don't forget this this house has a really great pool out in the backyard. Kids are gonna love that. Mom and Dad might love it too. Let me review. I've got my notes here. The house is 3,532 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths. It's got a 3-car garage. Remember, it's got the 2-car attached with that really cool storm shelter in the floor, and then it has a 1-car detached with a workshop. Let's see, I mentioned the storm shelter. You know, we're in Alabama. Tornado Alley. This is a great thing. The storm shelter built right into the floor. And again, the master is a secluded master downstairs on one end of the house. There are 2 more bedrooms on the first floor, and then 2 more. I lose count. The house is so big. 2 more bedrooms upstairs with a huge bonus room. So keep in mind also, this house has been priced to allow for painting and flooring, so you have the opportunity to buy a house in Southern Breeze, come in and make it your own, and still be equity positive. So hey, we're going to be doing an open house here soon, probably this Sunday. Look for that on Facebook. If I can show you this house in the meantime, love to give you a tour. It is a big rambling house, again, with a great pool out back. Just let me know, 256-679-0704, or find me on Facebook. I would love to give you a tour of this great house, 25182 Mahalo Circle, right here in Limestone County with a Madison address. All right, check it out. Let me know what you think. I look forward to talking to you soon.